Hey guys, welcome back to the Daya Daily. So today I am doing a look inspired by the Glow-Up Girls. Glow-Up Girls is sponsoring this video and I am obsessed with how these girls look. They're so cute. So of course I had to do my hair and makeup just like theirs. So if you want to see how I got this look like the Glow-Up Girls, then just keep watching. Woo, woo, woo. I'm gonna start with hair first so that it can sit while we're doing the makeup. So that's also why my hair looks like this. I've also been wearing a hat all day, so that's why it looks a little bit crazy. My mom's gonna help me section it off. I decided that I wanted to do the bottom half pink. So yeah, I got pink. I'm gonna first brush out my hair, but I'm gonna tell you about my brush. I had to duct tape it because it broke, so try to match it with the pinks, but it didn't really work. My hair is ready to be pinkified. I'm gonna put on my special cape. Got it. Okay, now let's open it. I'm gonna put glue on it like this. Whoa, look at the pink coming out. I'm just gonna pull out them in my hand like this, and I'm gonna put the pink in it. Whoa, it's very pink. This one smells weird. That one stinks. At least it's not as bad as the spray coloring stuff that I've used in the past. That stuff really stinks. Now we're just gonna apply this all on the bottom. The Glow-Up Girl dolls are all super cute and cool because they all have different colored hair. Super cool. Now it is all done. This is what it looks like. And now I gotta let it sit for 30 minutes. Then we'll wash it out. So I'm just gonna get started on the makeup look. Let's get started on the makeup. Oh, do you guys like my nails too? Got them done for my birthday yesterday. This will be perfect for our pink look. Okay, I'm gonna start with some foundation. So I'm gonna do 2 dots there and 2 dots there. And I'm gonna do a line. And I'm gonna do a dot on my chin and on my nose. Now we're gonna blend it.
Much later.
One thing that helps a lot with beauty blenders that I like is if you get them wet, it's a lot easier to apply and they're not as stiff and they're more spongy.
Much later.
I'm gonna take some concealer and I'm just gonna put it under my eyes. Like that. Now let's try and close that. And blend under the eyes. Okay, now I am done with that. Now I'm gonna take some powder. I'm gonna take this brush and put some under my eyes first so it sets all the concealer. Like that. Then I'm gonna take this fluffy brush and do it all over my face. Just like this. Now we're gonna do Sunk Bronzer. This is my favorite bronzer in the world. Now I'm gonna do some bronzer.
Much later.
Doing it on my jaw, my cheekbones, and my forehead. Now I'm going to take this stick blush and I'm gonna put some on my cheeks. I'm gonna blend it with my beauty blender. I'm gonna use this one, but I'm afraid it's gonna get black on my face. Like that. Next, we're gonna do the eyeshadow. Okay, so now I'm gonna do kind of a pink look to match my hair and my nails. So I'm gonna start with a pink color, a lighter pink color in the inner crease, and then for the outer, I'm gonna do darker pink. So I'm doing this lighter color on the inner lid. Just like this, and then I'm gonna blend it into my outer color too. Now I'm going to do my next color on the outer corner. I'm using a fluffy brush for the outer color. Okay, and then I'm doing a little bit under my eyes. Like that. Now I'm gonna add some glitter to these eyes. I'm gonna take this kind of fluffy brush and I'm gonna squirt it. Like that. Then I'm gonna take glittery color and I'm gonna apply some on. I love how the Glow-Up Girls have so many different colors, so that's what I'm trying to do. And now I'm going to take this brush and I'm gonna use the same color and I'm just gonna, same glitter, and I'm just gonna add it to the bottom. I'm spraying my brush with this Stay Spray and I'm going to take shimmery color and now I'm gonna put it on my inner corner. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at the difference that makes. Pretty awesome. I'm taking some lashes, but the lashes are a little bit too long for my eyes, so I'm just gonna cut a little bit off. I just cut that much. Kind of just like 1 notch. Well, it does fit, so that's good. I'm gonna cut the other one too. Boom. And then what I do is just, I make them a little bit more curved, so I do this. And then I'm going to put some lash glue on it. Just putting a little bit on. Then I'm gonna put it on there and let it dry for a minute. Then I'm gonna let them dry and I'm gonna curl my lashes. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of mascara. Wouldn't it be nice if you could just click and then your lashes would be on? I think it would be. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows and some lipstick. And then the hair should be ready to go. So now I'm gonna do my brows. Like that. Now I'm gonna take this pink and I'm gonna take this brush and then I'm gonna put it like closer to your mouth, like this. Now I'm gonna take some super glittery gloss and put some on. Time to go wash out the hair. Now look at the pink. It looks so good. And now it's time to style it now that it's all dry. Now I have a 1-inch curling iron. Now we're just gonna do some like waves. First I'm gonna section my hair off and we're gonna start with the bottom layer. I'm gonna do alternating curls, one towards my face and one away. So the front pieces I'm gonna curl away from my face like this. And just wrap it around. Keep a little bit of the end out. And keep a little bit of the end out. The color looks so cool in the curl, it almost looks neon. Now we're just gonna do it all over our head. All right, the hair is now done. I think it looks super cool. I love the pink and it looks super cool. Especially this piece right here, it's like neon, it looks so cool. And inside these glow-up girls, in here they have some gems and we're gonna put some in our hair and our face. So here's Erin out of the box. She's super cute and she looks like me with her pink hair. So now let's open up her surprises. We're gonna start with this baby perfect purse awaits. Ooh, we got a little heart purse. I think it matches my shirt. Now I'm gonna open up her shoe. Let's do it. I love opening surprises. Okay, I got some socks. And then we got some shoes. We got some white shoes with a little silver star on the side. Those will be super cute with her socks. Next, I'm gonna open up her little thing. I don't even know what it is, but it has her name on it. So yeah, you're gonna grab here and you're gonna grab the zipper and boom. Okay, looks like we got a little comb. Then we have this cute accessory. This also matches my shirt. Next, we have this glitter and dream. Let's open up this one. We got some gold chain earrings. Next, we got 2 silver bracelets. Super cute. And then we also have some stickers. So let's open those up and put some on. I'm gonna take some of these little stickers and I'm gonna take Erin and I'm gonna put some on her face. So I'm gonna choose, there's a cute heart on here that I'm gonna choose. Okay, put that on. Okay, and then I'm gonna put the same one on my cheek. It's cool how you get one for them and one for you. There we go. Next, I'm gonna put on her accessories. So she already has some earrings in, but I'm gonna take them out and put in her gold ones. Just pull them out. I'm gonna stick them in her little bag over here. She had a star one and a heart. Now I'm gonna put in her gold chains. And there's 2. There you go. Okay. Now I'm going to put on her bracelets. So we have this one. It has some hearts and some stars on it. Actually, I think this is a necklace. Yeah, this is a choker, so I'm gonna put it on her neck. Bam, like that. Now let's do our other girl, Sadie. I'm obsessed with her hair. I kind of wish my hair was like this because it's so cute. And let's open up her purse. Okay, so we got 2 things in here. We got this purse and it's like a little ice cream sundae. How cute is that? And then next we have some butterfly sunglasses for her. I'm gonna put those on her, just like that. Next, I'm going to open up her shoes. All right, these are super cute. These are the same as Erin's, but they have a little pink star on them. Then we also got some heart socks. Now, I'm going to open up her accessory thing. Pull it by the zipper. We have a blue comb. And then we have... Oh, that's what that is. So I think you can put some water in here and then you put it in and you can do her nails. And then it changes them colors. That is so cute though. Next, I'm gonna open up all of her accessories that are in this little bag. We have some earrings. So over here, I'm gonna take these ones out. We got some big red heart ones. I'm gonna take those out. And I'm gonna put in these ones. These ones are super cute. This one says LO and the other one says VE. Super cute. And then I'm gonna put a gem on her face. I think I'm gonna take a blue one and just like that. These are so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me get in this look and open up these glow-up dolls. They glow all out. These dolls are so cute and make sure you go and check them out. I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!